हेलो स्टूडेंट, आज हम एडवांस इंजीनियरिंग मैथमेटिक्स के यूनिट नंबर 4 में लेक्चर नंबर ले रहे हैं 30। इसका टॉपिक है लीनियर रिग्रेशन। लीनियर रिग्रेशन अटेम्प्ट्स टू मॉडल द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू वेरिएबल्स by fitting a linear equation to observed data. One variable is considered to be an explanatory variable and the other is considered to be dependent variable. For example, a modeler might want to relate the weight of individuals to their heights using a linear regression model. Before attempting to fit a linear model to observed data, a modeler should first determine whether or not there is a relationship between the variables of interest. तो अटेम्प्ट करने से पहले लीनियर मॉडल को ऑब्जर्व डेटा के मॉडलर को सबसे पहले डिटरमाइन करना चाहिए कि रिलेशनशिप है दोनों वेरिएबल्स के बीच में वो है या नहीं. दिस डज नॉट नेसेसरीली इम्प्लाई दैट वन वेरिएबल कॉजेस एन अदर. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि एक वेरिएबल की वजह से दूसरे के लिए हो. जैसे कि एग्जांपल है हायर सेट स्कोर डू नॉट कॉज हायर कॉलेज ग्रेड. यदि सेट का स्कोर हाई है तो कॉलेज का ग्रेड भी हाई होगा. बट दैट देयर इज सम सिग्निफिकेंट एसोसिएशन बिटवीन द रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन टू वेरिएबल्स. लेकिन इनके बीच में एक सिग्निफिकेंट एसोसिएशन होता है दोनों वेरिएबल्स में. A scatter plot can be helpful tool in determining the strength of the relationship between two variables. तो स्केटर प्लॉट जो ग्राफ होता है वो हेल्पफुल होता है डिटरमाइन करने में स्ट्रेंथ को दोनों वेरिएबल्स के बीच में रिलेशनशिप के लिए. इफ़ देयर appears to be no association between the proposed explanatory and dependent variables, the scatter plot does not indicate any increasing or decreasing trends. Then fitting a linear regression model to the data probably will not provide a useful model. A valuable numerical measure of association between two variables is the correlation coefficient, which is value between -1 and 1, indicating the strength of the association of the observed data for the two variables. A linear regression line has an equation of the form y equals to a plus bx, where x is the explanatory variable and y is the dependent variable. The slope of the line is v and a is the intercept. The value of y when x equals to 0. So linear regression में हम स्ट्रेट लाइन y equals to a plus bx को एक्सप्लेनेटरी वेरिएबल और डिपेंडेंट वेरिएबल के बीच में रिलेशनशिप को देखते हैं. सबसे पहले मल्टीपल रिग्रेशन क्या होता है. Simple linear regression is a technique for predicting the value of dependent variable based on the value of single independent variables. Sometimes you only need one relevant independent variable to make an accurate prediction. More often, however, the prediction is better when you use two or more independent variables. Multiple regression is a technique for predicting the value of a dependent variables based on the values of two or more independent variables. तो more often क्या होता है कि जो prediction होता है better होता है यदि आप दो या दो से अधिक independent variables को लेते हैं. तो जो multiple regression technique होता है predict करने की value का dependent variables की, जो कि based होता है two or more than two independent variables में. And what is the regression equation? This is a tutorial about linear regression, so our focus is on linear relationship between variables. The regression equation that expresses the linear relationship between a single dependent variables and one or more independent variable is y cap equals to v0 plus b1 x1 plus b2 x2 and so on bk minus 1 xk minus 1 plus bk xk. In this equation, y cap is the predicted value of the dependent variable and values of the k independent variables are denoted by x1, x2, x3, so on xk. And finally, we have the v's v0, v1, v2, vk. The v's are constant called regression coefficient. Values are assigned to the v's based on the principle of least square. What is the principle of least square? In multiple regression, the deviation of the actual value for a dependent variable from its predicted value is called the residual. The residual for a single observation I is ei equals to yi minus yi cap equals to yi minus b naught plus b1 x1i plus b2 x2i up to bk xki. Assume that the set of data consists of n observations. The principle of least square requires that sum of the squared residual for all n observations be minimized. That is, we want the following value to be as small as possible. Summation yi minus b naught plus b1 x1i plus b2 x2i up to bk xi whole square. Regression analysis require that value of v0 b1 up to bk be defined to be minimize the sum of the squared residuals. When we assign value to regression coefficient in this way, we are following the principle of least square. Normal equation for simple regression. Finding the right values for regression coefficient. The value that satisfy a least square criterion involves solving a set of linear equations. These equations can be derived using calculus and they are called normal equations. To illustrate the use of normal equation, let's look at simple linear regression with one dependent variable y and one independent variable x with the simple linear regression. The regression equation is y cap equals to v0 plus b1x. The normal equation for simple linear regression are summation yi equals to nb0 plus b1 summation xi or summation xi yi equals to b0 into summation yi plus summation xi plus b1 into summation xi square. Here we have two equations with two unknowns. The unknowns are the regression coefficients b0 and b1. Using ordinary algebra, we can solve for b0 and b1. The result is b1 equals to summation xi minus x by I minus y upon summation xi minus x whole square. b0 equals to y minus b1 star x, where x is the mean x score and y is the mean y score. Note that these are the same equations that we represented in a previous lesson. We introduced the topic of simple linear regression. The use of normal equation to assign values to regression coefficient becomes more complicated when there are two or more independent variables. We will tackle that challenge in the next lesson. Regression is used in statistical model and it basically tells us the relationship between variables and their movement. In the future, apart from statistical method like standard deviation, regression correlation, the regression analysis is the most widely and commonly accepted measures to measure the variance in the industry. These relationships are seldom exact because there is variation caused by many variables, not just the variables being studied. The method is widely used in the industry for predictive modeling and forecasting measures. Regression tells us the relationship of the independent variables on the dependent variables and to explore the forms of these relationships. The formula for regression analysis y equals to a plus bx plus epsilon, where y stands for dependent variables, x stands for independent variables, a stands for the intercept, b stands for the slope, epsilon stands for the error term. The formula for intercept a and the slope b can be calculated as below. A equals to summation y multiply summation x square minus summation x multiply summation xy upon n into summation x square minus summation x का whole square. B equals to n into summation xy minus summation x summation y summation x into summation y upon n into summation x square minus summation x का whole square. Regression analysis is one of the most powerful multi-variable statistical technique as the user can interpret parameters, the slope and the intercept of the functions that link with two or more variables in a given set of data. There are two types of regression, multilinear regression and simple linear regression. The simple linear regression is explained is same as y equals to a plus bx1 plus cx2 plus dx3 plus epsilon, where y is dependent variable, x1, x2, x3 independent or explanatory variables, a intercept, b, c, d slopes, epsilon dash equals or error. This phase lecture is completed. Thank you all of you.